Stop paying expensive monthly cable bills now and get this indoor HD antenna. HD quality sound and easy setup, just plug it and play. This is the coaxial cable, which simply you just plug into your TV. This is the amplifier, and it has 2 settings, long and short range. This is the USB plug, which you're going to plug right into your TV. If you don't have a USB port, you can simply put the adapter on and plug into the wall. The back of the antenna has stickers, so you can simply stick onto any surface, the window, the wall, or table. Now you are ready to sit back and enjoy cable TV.